Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wal aqibatu lil muttaqeen wassalatu wassalamu ala khatamin nabiyyin. Dear listeners and viewers, today inshallah al-Aziz we are starting the first chapter of Quran, which is Al-Fatiha. Al-Fatiha, the opening, is a very important chapter of the Quran. It summarizes the entire message of Quran. So we will go ayah by ayah. We will study one ayah in one episode and in one lecture, and sometime two or three as well together. So Surah Al-Fatiha has different names. It has Asasul Quran, its name is Asasul Quran, the foundation of the book. It also has the name of Al-Shifa. It cures even the physical diseases as well. Obviously it is a cure for all the moral diseases, but it is cure for physical diseases and problems as well. And it has a name Al-Kafiya, which means it is enough for everything, whatever we need. And also it has the name Sab'a Mathani wal Quran al-Azim, which is mentioned in itself in the Quran in Surah Al-Hijr. So the first ayah of the Quran is Al-Fatiha is Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, which means all praise, all thanks are for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the Rabbul Alameen, who is the Lord of the heavens and the earth, the entire universe. So first of all we should understand what does this word Hamd means. So the first meaning of Hamd is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is free of any kind of disability, any kind of problem, any kind of weakness. He doesn't become old, he doesn't need children, he doesn't get tired, he doesn't need sleep or slumber or food, so he doesn't get old. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala munazziyan an kulli naqsim wa aibin, he doesn't have any deficiency, any weakness, any flaw. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is perfect, and this is the tasbih or the praise of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then we have the meaning of hamd, that all the good qualities of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Al-Alim, He has the knowledge, He is Ar-Rahman, He is the most kind and merciful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the Al-Adil, He does the justice, and He is Al-Wadud, He loves human beings and His creation. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has all the good qualities. Then we have another meaning of hamd, which means that the shukr, the gratitude, to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we look at the universe, we see that everything Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created, the sky and the heavens and the earth and the stars and the moon and the sun and the trees and the birds and the waterfalls and oceans, everything is perfect. But hamd has another meaning, which means the gratitude or to be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when we look at the entire universe, that each and every single thing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created is serving us, the human beings. So the sun rises for us, the waterfall for us, the rain comes for us, the earth grows the crops for us, the flowers blossom for us, the bird, the chirp and cheer for us. So everything is for us. So then comes the gratitude. We show the gratitude, we become thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us to say Alhamdulillah on almost all the important occasions and times. For example, when we wake up in the morning, the first thing we should say, Alhamdulillah alladhi ahyana ba'da ma matana. All praise and thanks for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has given us the life again, another day, gift of life. When we eat food or drink, we say Alhamdulillah alladhi atamana wa sakana wa jalana min al-muslimin. So all praise and thanks for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has given us this morsel of food and this sip of water. There are millions and billions of the people on the face of earth, they don't have enough food and water. Similarly, when we come out of the toilet, we say Alhamdulillah alladhi adhaba anil adha wa afani. So all praise and thanks for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has removed of this harm from us. So this is Alhamdulillah is kind of a sentence that each and every single believer should say it again and again. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not only we should not only praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but also He is Rabbul Alameen. He is the cherisher, and He is the Lord of the entire universe. He is providing the entire universe, the kingdom of jinn, the kingdom of animals, the kingdom of the trees. There are so many creations under the water. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is cherishing and nourishing and providing for each and every single creation in the entire universe. So this is how Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, according to the scholars, this is the summary of the entire Quran and it's summary of our deen. So we should learn this sentence and we should repeat it all the occasions with deep understanding and love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by remembering His blessings. Jazakumullah khairan. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.